The past couple days have had me thinking yesterday was a bloody day in the market because the economy was freaked out because the Delta variant is running rampant right now in the U.S. and every single state in the U.S., all 50 states, is experiencing for the first time since January a resurgence in the COVID-19 pandemic, and that is scaring a lot of people, and that's partially because a lot of people aren't wearing masks, I'm sure. But I was thinking about which company or companies could potentially benefit in a positive way from this news, and I think I found one, and this company has potential upside of almost 300%, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. In this video, we're going to talk about Sorrento Therapeutics. This is a company that has multiple potential COVID-19 catalysts going for them right now, and a potential upside based on one analyst rating of over 250%. So we're going to jump into this article. We're going to talk about what Sorrento is working on right now. Then we're going to look at this analyst recommendation and see what we can figure out about this company because it looks really promising. So the title of the article here is Multiple COVID-19 Pipeline Catalysts on the Horizon. It looks like the pandemic isn't behind us yet. The alarming rise in COVID-19 cases has coincided with the recent emergence of multiple highly contagious SARS-CoV-2 variants, including the easily spread Delta variant. While the rates appear far lower in those vaccinated, H.C. Wainwright's Ram Selvaraju says that considering the most recently evolved strains of the virus, some have begun to speculate that the vaccines may only reduce infectivity by less than 50%. It's kind of a scary statistic there. Such concerns underscore all the more the urgent need for effective, safe therapeutic options to aid those already infected with the virus responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic, the analyst went on to say. And this is where Selvaraju believes Sorrento Therapeutics and its maturing COVID-19 pipeline enters the frame. The company has been developing several potential treatments, diagnostics addressing the coronavirus. Among those is COVID-MSC. It's a proprietary preparation of stem cells on course to enter a randomized, controlled clinical trial. Should results prove positive, Selvaraju thinks the FDA could provide the treatment with emergency use authorization before the year's end. We note that 100% of the patients treated with COVID-MSC in Phase 1b study focused on intensive care unit context recovered fully and were discharged from the hospital. The Brazilian regulatory authorities have also given the all clear for COVID-MSC to enter a Phase 2 trial. Another offering is Covishield, designed as a combo of two different antibodies and intended to defend against disease due to variants of SARS-CoV-2. Selvaraju says there is already evidence this method retains effectiveness against multiple emergent SARS-CoV-2 variants with greater infectivity than the original strain. Near-term progress is also anticipated for the intransally delivered COVID-AMG antibody, COVID drops, and ACE2 receptor decoy COVID trap. Lastly, top-line data from both the Brazilian and U.S. Phase 2 clinical trials of abivertinib in hospitalized COVID-19 patients is also anticipated this quarter. Let's jump over here. Ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics, was up almost 2% today, and then another almost 0.75% after hours to trade at 839. This does come with a moderate buy based on this one analyst rating with an average upside, look at that, over 260%. So Selvaraju here from H.C. Wainwright is giving this a $30 price target, and this is trading just under $840 right now. Guys, let me know what you think, and let me know in the comments if there are some other companies that may benefit from a COVID resurgence other than Peloton. Okay, because Peloton seemed to be the outlier yesterday, had a really good day yesterday when everything else started tanking. And then, of course, there are other companies like Zoom and Google and others that tend to do well, and we know that from how stocks performed last March. Guys, Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate you. If you missed my Power Hour update today, it was pretty fun. There was a lot of news, and we talked a little bit about AMC as well. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.